Death amidst fake gods. I suckled at my well. I played, married with my friends in the open fields and in the fresh air, a heavenly pasture and a pleasant pastime I cherished. What a twist life has brought in. Life changed from heaven to hell. I wondered what went wrong. Now whom to rely? I see no familiar faces around with whom I will beg for mercy. I cry amidst blind man made gods and saviors. Ah, these gods are bloodmongers, like these merciless men wandering around. I know I am sold. I know I am a slave. Every passing moment adding to my trauma. I am loaded to a distant land. I know nothing about it. Everything seems so strange. Traveled long hours with many unknown fellows, and we exchanged a common thing called fear, deepest killing fear. Long, suffocating journey cripple my legs. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. It pains, and my body is aching with untold pain. I'm sick. I'm in severe pains. On a flash, I thought about my pastures, my mother, and my friends, and all those people who had given me love and care. Now I'm alone in the ground, surrounded by mad people. They shout and howl. I'm in the deepest fear. Things are unusual. Few pull my ropes from here and there. Ah, someone stabbed me from behind. Someone has beaten me severely. Someone has beaten me severely. I tried my level best. I cannot hold on for long. Oh, I cannot even cry. I won't be hurt. I see no one coming to save. I have fallen down bleeding. They caught me tight. I cannot even move. My eyes bulged out in pain. Ah, it is severely paining. Ah, um, Gopakumar Radhakrishnan.